Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to DoorDash your food to someone else. So step 1, open the DoorDash app. Start by launching your DoorDash on your phone and log into your account. Step 2, change the delivery address. Tap the address bar at the top of the home page and enter the address of the person that you want to send the food to. Make sure that it's correct and within DoorDash delivery range. Step 3. Browse and select items. Once the address is updated, browse available restaurants in that locations. Choose the food and the items that you want to deliver to. Step 4. Add delivery instructions. Before the checkout, you can tap Add Delivery Instructions. You can include the recipient's name, phone number, and add specific delivery notes to help the driver deliver the order successfully. Step 5. Checkout and Payment. Proceed to checkout. Use your preferred payment method and ensure that all details are correct before placing the order. Step 6. Notify the recipient. Let the recipient know that their food is on the way. You can also share the tracking link with them so that they can monitor the delivery in real time. And that's it. You have successfully sent a DoorDash order to someone else. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.